The question is, what speed would count as dangerous driving on the motorway? Another way of asking the question would be, can you be charged with dangerous driving on the basis of speed alone if there are no other aggravating features? Well, this question has been asked of the High Court. The High Court dealt with a case called Milton in 2006. And in that case, the judge said that somebody could not be convicted of dangerous driving on the basis of speed alone. And the judge said, I'm not going to fix a certain speed above which you might be found guilty of dangerous driving. And it said that what courts had to do was look at the speed and then look at all of the other circumstances of the case. So some examples might be the road conditions or the amount of traffic or the effect that the speed had on other drivers, things like that. So the actual answer to the question is that there is no fixed speed that counts as dangerous driving. It's very unlikely somebody would be charged with dangerous driving where we're just talking about speed and nothing else. And in fact, what the court have to do is they have to determine whether or not the standard of driving fell far below the standard of a careful, competent driver. That's the usual test for dangerous driving. So in most cases where it's speed alone, then the charge will be speeding. And of course, people can receive 3 to 6 penalty points or a disqualification from driving for speeding. And there's no limit on the disqualification from driving. So very high speeds can attract very long bans from driving. The big difference with dangerous driving, of course, is that you can go to prison for up to 2 years for dangerous driving. And there's a minimum driving ban of 12 months plus an extended retest. So the two charges are very different.